How to deposit paper cash to Cash App at Walmart. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you deposit paper cash to Cash App. So basically what you'll need to do is here, first of all, after you arrive at the store, you just need to let the cashier know that you want to load funds to your Cash App. And if they're not sure how to help, you could show them the instructions by tapping the map or on the map options as well. So once the cashier swipes your card or Cash App card or scans the barcode with the Cash App, you could hand them the money you'd like to deposit. Then they will do the rest of the other part. And that is how you'll be able to deposit paper cash to Cash App at Walmart. Now you also need to understand that not many Walmart or sometimes they might not be able to accept it. So you must have to understand that and follow the on-screen prompt as mentioned. So that is basically how you could deposit paper cash. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.